Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I'll be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price market chart, and using the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the market chart price, this channel is for you to be notified anytime I drop a new video. In this video, I will be analyzing the Dash token. The Dash has a symbol of dash, DASH. At the point of recording this video, the Dash is ranked number 71 on the coin market cap and is trading at the rate of $44.41. The Dash has a market cap of $490 million and a fully diluted market cap of $838 million. The Dash has about 11 million Dash tokens in circulation. So guys, what is the Dash? Dash, whose name comes from digital cash, was launched in January 2014 as a fork of Litecoin. Since going live, Dash has grown to include features such as two-tier network with incentivized nodes, including master nodes and decentralized project governance, instant send, which allows for instantly settled payment, chain locks, which makes the Dash blockchain instantly immutable, private send, which offers additional optional privacy for transactions. Guys, we can get the Dash token on Binance Exchange, on Coinbase Exchange, on XCoin Exchange, on Bitfinex Exchange, and any other exchange you get your favorite altcoin. Guys, welcome to the Dash USDT price market chart. As you can see, I've already labeled out my market structure. I use yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I use red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4-hour time frame. So guys, the major purpose for this video is for me to analyze the market structure and tell us our current position on the price market chart, and also use the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But guys, let's have this behind our mind that after every break of structure, there is always a pullback. So guys, I'll be using these two tools to show us our move on the price market chart. I'll be using the green tool to show the bullish move, and I'll be using the red tool to show the bearish move. The Dash token was launched on the Binance Exchange around April 2019. It was launched on the price around $87. And guys, the first break of structure we saw was a break of structure to the upside. The boost took price from that $87, broke structure to the upside, and took price to about $191. Guys, we're expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The bears took price from $191, broke structure to the downside, and took price back to about $77. So guys, if you notice, there have been a series of break of structure to the downside. I'm skipping to the last structure to continue the analysis. So now, at this point, we saw another break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from about $148, broke structure to the downside, and took price back to about $30. And guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that $30 and broke structure to the upside and took price to about $160. So guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, the bears took price from that $160, pushed price back down to about $90. And guys, remember, as long as the lower low that gave us this II is not taken out during the pullback, you should expect more break of structure to the upside. The boost came back, took price from that $90, broke more structure to the upside, and took price to about $327. And guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, the bears came back, took price from $329, took price back to $183. The boost came back, took price from that $183, broke more structure to the upside, and took price to about $486. Guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback, but the bears took price from that $486, broke more structure to the downside, and took price back to about $101. We're expecting a pullback. Sure, we got the pullback. Bears took price from that $101, pushed price back up to about $284. And guys, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. As long as the II that gave us this lower low was not taken out during the pullback, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. And guys, that's what we've seen. We've seen series of break of structure to the downside. So I'll be skipping to the last part to continue the analysis. So guys, after this break of structure, we expected a pullback. Sure, the boost took price from $37, pushed price back to about $59. And guys, remember, series of break of structure to the downside. the bears came back, broke more structure to the downside, took price from that point, took price back down to about $29. What's our current position on the major structure? We just saw a break of structure to the downside. We're expecting a pullback, and sure, we're seeing a pullback. So guys, we'll be moving to our lower time frame to analyze our minor structure. But guys, remember, at this point, the minor structure is trading between the range of this lower high and this lower low. So guys, on our lower time frame, we notice that we've been seeing series of higher low and lower low, breaking structure to the downside. The first break of structure we saw was to the downside. The bears took price from $59, broke structure to the downside, and took price back to about $42. And guys, after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. Sure, the bulls came back, took price from that $42, pushed price back up to about $49. So guys, I'll be skipping to the last part. These are just series of lower highs and lower low. So guys, at this point, there was a break of structure to the upside. The bears now pull back the price from $47 and pull price back down to about $31. And guys, breaking structure to the downside, we're expecting a pullback. The bulls took price from that $31, break another structure to the upside, and took price back to about $48. So guys, to the $1 million question, what's our current position on the Dash USDT price market chart? We just saw a break of structure to the downside on our major time frame. We're expecting a pullback. Sure, we've been seeing a pullback. And on our lower time frame, we just saw a break of structure to the upside, expecting a pullback. Sure, we've been seeing a pullback. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? From this point price is trading, we just saw a break of structure to the upside, expecting a pullback. Do you think this pullback will come back to this demand zone before going back to this supply zone? And from the supply zone, we'll continue breaking structure to the downside, just to continue the trend on our major structure? Or do you think from this demand zone, price will have to come back to this demand zone? The bulls will push price back to this supply zone, and from the supply zone, the bears will now come and take price back to the downside to continue the major trend of the major structure. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop.